In this clip, we'll focus specifically on the features associated with the broker loading of a listing for the sale of a business, known as bulk block sale. If you need more information on how to fill in some of the fields, please watch video clips 3.1 to 3.8, Broker Loading a New Single-Family Home Listing. To start your new listing, select the Commercial or Industrial Property or Block Sale category from the scroll-down menu on the Broker Loading homepage. On the Preliminary Information page, you must select the property type from the following options: Commercial, Industrial, or Bulk Block Sale. For this example, we'll select Bulk Block Sale. In the Style field, you must indicate if it's a building or unit. A building is a building used for commercial purposes, and a unit is an interior part or room in a building that is laid out to accommodate a business, an office, an industry, or a warehouse. If the listing is for the sale of a business but excludes a building, you must select Unit. To broker load the listing in the Centris system, there must be a lease associated with the sale of the business. The Use of Property field allows you to specify the use of the building from the following options: Commercial only, Industrial only, Offices only, Commercial and Office space, Commercial and Residential, Commercial and Industrial, Industrial and Offices, and other. Fill in the other fields on the page. For more information about these fields, you can refer to the Real Estate Glossary or watch video 3.2, Preliminary Information. Fill in the fields on the Legal Description page. For more information about these fields, you can refer to the Real Estate Glossary or watch videos 3.3, Legal Description, and 9, How to Position Your Listing on the Map. Fill in the fields on the Owner and Mortgage page. For more information about these fields, you can refer to the Real Estate Glossary or watch video 3.4, Owner and Mortgage. Fill in the fields on the Building and Lot page. For more information about these fields, you can refer to the Real Estate Glossary or watch video 3.5, Building and Lot. The Commercial Description page contains information that defines the use of the commercial or industrial property or block sale. Type of operation. You can specify the type of operation from the following choices: Retail. The business is a retail type of operation. Example, butcher shop, florist, etc. Storage. The business is a storage type of operation. Example, storage of furniture, foodstuffs, construction materials, etc. Wholesaler. The business is a wholesale type of operation. For example, sale of construction materials to general contractors. Factory. The business is a product manufacturing type of operation. Example, manufacturer of furniture, bicycles, etc. Services. The business is a service type of operation for individuals or businesses. Example, accountant, notary, insurance company, hairdresser, etc. In the Type of Business field, you must select the type of business activity from the options in the list. The list includes such things as bakery, convenience store, fast food, hairdresser, church, school, or other if the choice is not available in the list. The explanation must be written in French. If information is entered in the English field, it must be explicitly published in French too, and the text must have the same meaning in both languages. In the Use of Space section, start by indicating the type of use of the unit from the following options: Commercial, premises designed mainly for commercial use. Example, offices, businesses, warehouse. Industrial, premises designed mainly for industrial use. Example, machine shop, cabinet making factory. Office, premises designed mainly for office use. And warehouse, a building or space in a building that serves as a storage area. You must indicate the company's unit number or room number, the company's name, the area of each unit, as well as the lease end date, the monthly rent or rental value, the lease renewal option, and the number of years. Expiry code. If there is no scheduled end to the lease, or if there is no lease, you can select from the following options in the expiry code field. Superintendent. The unit is occupied by the building's superintendent. Month. The unit may be rented on a monthly basis with or without a lease. Owner-occupant. The unit is occupied by the owner. No lease. There is no written agreement between the parties that defines the terms of occupancy of the unit to be leased or that is leased. Vacant, the unit is available for renting or for occupancy by the owner. For the monthly rent, you must specify the type of rental taking into account the conditions indicated in the lease from the following options. Net. A net lease generally provides that the tenant pays all or part of the property's operating and maintenance costs. Gross. A gross lease provides that the tenant only pays the agreed upon rent, while all costs, such as taxes, insurance, and operating and maintenance costs, are paid by the owner. Other. Block sale. You must also place a check mark in the block sale box, and you can indicate the year the business began its operations. Select yes under the franchise heading if the business is a franchise, and enter the maturity date, which refers to the end date of the contractual relationship with the franchisor. If there's a possibility of renewing the franchise agreement, indicate yes, and enter the number of years the franchise agreement can be renewed. The Included According to Lease button allows you to specify the items that are included or excluded in the monthly rent from among the following options: heating, electricity, hot water, water taxes, lawn, snow removal, taxes, number of indoor and outdoor parking spaces, or other. The Unit Details button allows you to specify the type of space as well as its area and clearance. Please note that you can enter a maximum of 5 units in this category by using the green plus. If the building has more than 5 rental units, you must brokerload the property in the Revenue Property category. For more information, watch video 5.2, Commercial or Industrial Revenue Property. The Residential Units section contains information about the income generated from the rental of residential units. The Additional Space section allows you to describe a storage space, a garage, or any other additional space that is available with the building. For more information about the fields on this page, you can always refer to the Real Estate Glossary. The Operating Revenues and Expenses page contains information about the expenses related to the operation of a business. You can indicate the different types of annual operating revenues, and the annual sales field will automatically become updated based on the numbers you enter. You will also be asked to enter the end date for the current fiscal year. In addition, you can specify the different types of annual operating expenses. Indicate yes if the list of the company's equipment is available for consultation and included in the asking price. Indicate yes if a balance sheet stating the company's assets and liabilities is available for review. The Taxes and Expenses page contains information about the property's municipal assessment as well as detailed information about taxes and annual expenses. The information on this page is not mandatory if it's a block sale that excludes the building but is attached to a lease. For more information about the fields on this page, you can refer to the Real Estate Glossary or watch video 3.7, Taxes and Expenses. Fill in the fields on the Additional Information Features page. For more information about these fields, you can always refer to the Real Estate Glossary or watch video 3.8, Additional Information Features. It is important that you remember to save any changes to your listing by clicking the blue diskette icon if the listing status is incomplete. Note that the listing will be temporarily saved for a maximum of 5 days from the date of the first save. However, if you have finished entering the information for the property, click the green check mark to submit your listing.